The Cottleville Gazebo was sold at Home Depot. To determine if this is the correct replacement canopy for your gazebo, please refer to the manufacturer model number GFS00744A. The model number should be located on a tag on the original canopy or instructions manual. The size of the frame is 10 by 10, two-tiered. A few key identifiers for this gazebo are scalloped valance at corners of canopy, geometric design on corner support panels. The canopy attaches over the frame in an overhang style. Garden Winds offers a replacement canopy designed to fit the Cottleville Gazebo. Our canopies are offered in multiple grades of fabric, from standard 350 to our exclusive Riplock 350 and Riplock 500. Riplock is made with triple thread grid lines that add durability to the canopy. Our canopies also have Dura-Pocket construction with Ultra Stitch for added strength. If you have any questions, call, text, or email us. We're here to help.